Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Vaudreuil-Dorion local and long-distance movers near me. With a cheap Vaudreuil-Dorion moving company, you can make your local or long-distance move so much easier. 3 Movers offers the right options to make your move easier and inexpensive. Your move doesn't have to get you all stressed out. Instead, hire us and let us show you how to make your relocation simple. There are many options to add to your long-distance move to make it easier, such as packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. With the right options for your move, you have very little to worry about. Our team offers long-distance moving services you can trust. We know how to get you moved faster and easier without all the fuss. With a Canada Moving Company, your local move becomes so much easier. The right team will make sure you can save time and energy on your move. It doesn't have to be so difficult or draining for you to move locally. 3 Movers offers the services you need. We take over the heavy lifting to ensure you can move without all the hard work. You won't have to worry about becoming injured or damaging your items during the process either. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Vaudreuil-Dorion moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.